Seaham Beach, nestled along the picturesque coastline of County Durham, England, is a captivating destination that offers a unique blend of natural beauty and historical significance. Here's a detailed description. Seaham Beach, with its dramatic North Sea backdrop, is a hidden gem along England's northeastern shores. The beach is renowned for its distinctive feature, an abundance of sea glass, also known as beach glass, which adorns its pebble-strewn shores. This sea glass is a testament to the centuries of weathering and tumbling that the waves have bestowed upon discarded glass bottles and pottery fragments. As a result, Seaham Beach has become a treasure trove for beachcombers and collectors, who flock here in search of these smooth, colorful gems. The rugged cliffs that frame Seaham Beach provide a breathtaking panorama of the North Sea, its waves crashing against the ancient rock formations. The contrast between the rough coastline and the delicate sea glass underfoot creates a unique and mesmerizing scene. Visitors can stroll along the shore, feeling the smoothness of the sea glass beneath their feet, and marvel at the ever-changing hues that range from deep blues and emerald greens to vibrant reds and purples. Beyond its natural beauty, Seaham Beach also carries historical significance. It was at Seaham Hall, perched atop the cliffs, where the renowned poet Lord Byron wed Anne Isabella Milbank in the early 19th century. The echoes of this romantic history add an extra layer of charm to the beach. Seaham Beach beckons not only collectors and history enthusiasts but also those seeking a tranquil escape. It's an ideal spot for leisurely walks, picnics, or simply gazing out at the horizon while listening to the soothing sounds of the sea. The fresh sea air invigorates the senses, making Seaham Beach a haven for relaxation and contemplation. In conclusion, Seaham Beach is a coastal jewel that seamlessly marries natural wonder with historical allure. Whether you come in search of sea glass treasures, a moment of serenity by the sea, or a glimpse into romantic history, this enchanting destination has something to offer every visitor. Seaham Beach invites you to explore its shores, where history, nature, and the timeless rhythm of the waves converge in perfect harmony.